Sargassum is invading our coasts, threatening marine life and our environment. Sargassum Monitoring tracks this crisis and raises awareness, but we need your help. Donate now to support our efforts and protect our oceans. Take action today at sargassomonitoring.org.